Before you clock me, yes, purple is a Valentine's Day color. It is. It's a thing. There are candy hearts, little, you can get somebody purple flowers. Purple's a color. It's a thing. It is a thing. So this is a Valentine's Day look. Hey guys, truebeautyforever here, and I've got another Valentine's Day look for you guys. Today's look is a pinkish purple glittery half cut crease look. And your girl has on falsies. Might not be on right. Might be able to see my real lashes all through it. Might not even be on my lash line where it's supposed to be, but they're on. And I'm proud of myself. Progress. I told you guys this year will be the year for lashes. Once I get this thing down, you won't be able to tell me shit. You won't be able to tell me nothing, okay? But anyways, this is the look we have today. So let me close my eyes and show you what we've got going on here. Today's looks using a couple of the different Juvias Place palettes. I talk about Juvias Place a lot on my channel, but a lot of you have actually been requesting me to do more looks using those palettes, so I decided to incorporate them in today's tutorial. Every single eyeshadow that I use is from Juvias Place today. If you're interested to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Alrighty, starting off with the Masquerade palette, I'm going into the color Burkina, and I'm using that as an all-over transition shade. Next, I'm going into the Zulu palette, and these colors, for whatever reason, do not have a name, but I'm just taking the matte pink, and I am applying that, focusing mainly on the inner half of my crease. Then I'm going into the color Zobo and focusing that on the outer part of my crease and on the lower outer V. I'm going into the deep purple shade, and I am applying that into the outer V as well, and that's just going to add a little bit more dimension to the look, and I'm slowly working it into my crease. Now I'm going to create a half cut crease using a little bit of concealer to carve it out, and this is just going to make the next eyeshadows that go on top of this look crisp and clean. And I'm going to go back into that deep purple and blend out the edges of the concealer. This is important because you don't want it to look harsh. Now I'm going into the color Bori, and I'm applying that on the outer half of my mobile lid. Then I'm going to go into the shimmery shade of the Zulu palette that doesn't have a name, and I'm going to apply that on the inner part. And this does not have to be perfect because it's going to get covered up with glitter. I'm just going back and blending as needed, applying more pigmentation to certain colors as needed, and making everything seamless as needed. Now I'm just using some eyelash glue. I should have used my glitter primer for this part because eyelash glue is extremely hard to get off all the way. So I recommend just using a glitter primer. But I'm going in with a deeper pink on the outer part of my lid, and then I'm going in on the inner part of my lid with a little bit of a lighter glittery pink. And the reason why I'm doing that is so that it will look a little bit more like it's blended. I just wanted a nice gradient of glitter and not one solid color. Now I'm going in with the NYC liquid liner. I think this was a good liner choice because it's a little bit more of a runny formula, so it made it easier to apply on top of the glitter. And I'm just going for that little wing. Now I'm taking some micellar water to remove all the fallout and glitter. Girl, do your eyes before your face if you're gonna use glitter. Using the Trust Fund Beauty Give Me Good Face Primer and the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the number 460 all over my face. And I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer again to highlight the face. Just like we blend our eyeshadow, we want to blend our foundation and concealer where they meet. So I blended it out, and now I am setting it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Girl, this powder is the bomb. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it yet, you gotta try it. I wanted to show y'all the versatility of the Masquerade palette. I'm using the eyeshadow shade Ada as blush. It's actually one of my favorite blush colors. It's so beautiful on deeper complexions. And now I'm just going on the lash line with the same colors I used up top. Cleaning up a little bit of that fallout with a little more of the powder. And then I'm going to go into the color Giza, which is a beautiful shimmery shade from the Masquerade palette, and I'm putting that in the inner tear ducts for a little pop. Now I'm going into the Anastasia lipstick in the shade Stevie and applying that, as I thought it would be the perfect pinky nude for this look. And now I'm going into Fenty Beauty's Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule Killawat duo. Nice pink color for the Valentine's Day look. And I'm finishing off with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. And this is the finished look. Slaying and cute for our little Valentine's Day date. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. Did you guys enjoy it? Please let me know down below. If you did, give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you want to be my Valentine. I want you to be my Valentine because I don't have no man to be my Valentine. I want my subscribers to be my Valentine this year. So definitely hit the subscribe button. And if you really, really love me, you can hit the bell so that you'll know exactly when I upload. Definitely leave me a nice comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this look. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know some constructive feedback. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know what's really good. Just tell me something because I really appreciate those comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the continuous support and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.